Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about improving your speaking and also how to generate new ideas. For that, what you need is some topics which you need to select, and also you need to know what you need to answer in that topics. For the practice, I will be using the cue cards and which will give you a brief idea that how you select a topic or any real life situation you get, and how you get to know that what you need to speak, what you need to include, and it will also be helpful in generating the ideas. You will get to know how to include the main points, which things to be kept and which to be eliminated, and many more things. I hope you will like my video. Please watch it and listen it till the end. So, what the topic I have selected is describe a film or a movie you would like to share with your friends. एक ऐसी मूवी, एक ऐसी फिल्म के बारे में आप बताओ जो कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना चाहते हो. The things you should say are where you watched it, what it was about, who you watched it with, why you want to share it with the friends. इसमें आपको 4 आंसर्स देने हैं कि आपने कहाँ देखी, किस बारे में थी, किसके साथ देखने गए, और यही मूवी आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ क्यों शेयर करना चाहते हो. तो सबसे पहले कोई भी चीज स्टार्ट करने से पहले, किसी भी चीज के बारे में बताने से पहले, यू नीड द इंट्रोडक्शन. So by using many different lines, you can be making the introduction. I have taken 2 examples, like I'm fond of watching movies and I do like these kind of movies, and after that you can be talking about your movie. Or you can be saying that I was browsing through any dash application or any browser and I came across the trailer of such movie, right? The movie you want to share, take the name of that movie. I liked it and I went to watch. Like you were impressed by the trailer and you wished to watch the movie as soon as possible, right? And please do avoid the things like I have watched many movies but the movie I want to share. Be creative, have some impressive introduction so that the person, that you can get the attention of the person in your first line, right? Introduction of the topic is most important. Don't be boring, don't be using the 100 years back lines. Do make some changes, do use some words. I can't say that these 2 lines which I said are the best or they are very attractive. No, it can't be so, right? But I want to say that have some variation in your introduction, right? After that, the first question to be answered was where you watched. The place is to be defined because it has been asked that where you watched. If you want to answer the question, then the topic is of no use, right? The place can be any. It can be your home, you watched it at your television or your laptop or your desktop, right? Or the other thing can be that you went to see your friend and he was watching the movie, you watched it with him. Or you can be saying that you watched it over your mobile phone while you were traveling with your family to a particular place, right? Or you were traveling in a public vehicle, in that you watched the movie, right? Or in a cinema or any place. But be uh, means stick to the place. Do not forget to mention the place where you watched, right? Now the next question was what it was about. Movie किस बारे में थी. Now the movies are like 2.5 hour long and you can't define the whole movie in 1 or 2 minutes, right? So you do not define the complete story. You need to tell the highlights only. Like the main idea of the movie, give some introduction about the movie, the characters and their importance, and what was the main thing that kept you engaged in the movie for so long. Because all the movies are not such that you watch all the movies from start till end, right? But what was the thing that made you watch the movie from start to the end? You can also define the work of the particular actor, right? That impressed you, and the you can also say the mystery in the movie or something like that. Just define the main highlights, or you can say define the complete movie in 5 to 10 lines, rather than telling that this happened, after that this happened, after that this happened. No, don't do this. Take the main idea out of the movie and define it properly, right? Be precise, but do not miss the main points. Don't be like that you want to be precise so you miss the main points. Oh, the main idea was this and what you said was totally out of the movie. Or you can say that you said everything about the movie but the main thing was left, right? Write the key points that they, yes, these were the main points, these are to be included, without this the movie was worthless, right? Now, who you watched it with? Next question. Do remember that whatever has been asked to you, it needs to be answered. You can't miss these sub questions, right? It is very important. Do answer each and every question. This cue card had 4 questions, right? We will answer each and every. We will answer all the 4 questions. You can't miss even a single one, right? Now, now comes that with the person you watch the movie, you can be watching it alone, right? There is not any compulsion that you have to be with someone, right? Or you can be watching it with the friends, with the family, with the cousin, with anybody, but do mention that with whom you watched the movie, right? And also include a few points of your bond with the person. Like if you are saying that you went with your cousin, then how your bond is with the person, why you both went, right? Why you chose that particular person for watching the movie, right? Do include some points. Now, why you want to share it with the friends? It is not the single movie that you have been watching or you that you have watched. There must have been numerous movies, but why this particular movie you chose to share with your friends? You need to give the clear answer. You need to give the reason which is valuable and valid, by listening which the person in front of you thinks that yes, this is the reason that why you are sharing a particular movie, right? It is a crucial part of the topic. It is the last question, and you need to mention each and everything. Like you like the idea, or you like the cast, or you can also add the achievements of the movie, right? That these achievements can be used to sum up your ideas, because you have answered each and everything. You told with where you watched the movie, with whom you watched, what was the movie about, now why you want to share it with your friends, right? So now, to sum up with the topic, what you need to tell them, that some of the achievements you can be telling about the movie or the cast, right? That these awards have been given to the particular role of the movie or something like that, right? So, introduction and summing up, these are the two most important parts. Both need to be creative. Use your idea, use your brain. This was only, I can only giving you the idea about what you can speak or something like that. I can't give you the complete description. I can't speak up the complete topic, because each person has its own brain and every brain works similar, or we can say every brain works uniquely. Every person generates unique ideas. So I can be sharing that what you can include, but basically what exactly you want to include, that depends upon you, right? Now, this is a video regarding improvement in your ideas, regarding how to speak the things you want to express. It is not particularly for IELTS students. If it is a cue card, doesn't matter, right? It does not mean that only IELTS students will get benefit from this video, right? It will help you practice your new ideas, how to generate new ideas. You will learn to think, you will get to know that yes, these are the things I need to answer. Not only answer, if you want to say something to a person, you can also implement it in your daily life. Like, I want to say this thing to that person, okay, I need to include these points, and regarding these points I need to tell this thing to the person, right? You will get to know how to summarize a particular thing. In this, you need to summarize the complete movie in 5 to 10 lines or 10 to 15 lines only, right? You can't be telling the complete story. You will get to know how to summarize and how to get the meaningful thing out of that, how to express the main ideas to the person. I think I was pretty clear. I think this video will be helpful to you, and thank you for watching my video.